This is literally that one Thursday night game we had.
Go ahead. Put everybody in here.
There it is. There it is.
He's across. Touchdown, Chicago.
Oh, fuck. 23 seconds. That's it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. All right. All right. All right.
A little Andy Reid, Patrick Mahomes to Kelsey special. Fake the run. Come back.
I'll take 25 seconds, but I'll take an ugly one. I'll take an ugly one against a good team.
What?
Come on, come on, just end it, end it,
Getting
end
longer
it,
by
end
the
it,
second.
end
You're
it.
all the way back at the 30-yard line. Now you can step into it. Here comes the Hail Mary with the game on the line.
Nothing. Stop it.
And the ball.
Oh my God! Are you fucking kidding me?
It's Noah Brown. Oh my goodness.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It's a madhouse in Landover, Maryland. He did it.
What the fuck?
What was it for you out here having to play through that rib injury?
A lot of long hours, long days, but I put myself in the position to go out here. But man, like I said, nothing but God, man.
Well, it looked like your rib was okay with
Goodbye.
that.